Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you close-ups of the formation and the duration of a hand drill ember. This is going to be a yucca spindle on highly degraded water oak. Let's go for the burn-in. Alright, this notch has got to fill up with dust and come in contact with the bottom of the spindle before the dust pile can ignite. Something else to look for is you'll see smoke coming off the spindle. But when that smoke is just streaming straight up the spindle, it's not ignited yet. That's just steam. But when you see that smoke start to like linger down around the fireboard, you know you have ignition, or you're very close to it. When your spindle tip flattens off like that, it's because the fireboard is a lot harder than the spindle. Now the reason that I'm struggling with this particular ember is because my hand drill has worn down so much. This used to be about 10 inches longer. And this end of the fireboard apparently is much harder than this end was. So let's do a little cheat. Let's get some ashes for grip on my hands. And that'll be a little bit easier. We'll get an ignition this time. Just gonna put it on my calluses right here. Some people like to spread it on the spindle. I always put it on my hands. I've got a Virginia pine tree. I don't know what kind of a wound that it has in it, but it's been sort of bleeding for 3 or 4 years now. All right. Well, I guess the table's been heat sinking it. Let's give it another try. Table's been heat sinking it. Of course it was. Okay, well, let me move you out to a longer shot. All right, I got some leaves in here, and we'll put this on top of it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I actually considered the heat sinking of it being on the table, but what I wanted to do was to make the ember, let it get coalesced well, and then take the tip of my knife and roll it around on the table and just show you how durable the ember was. But and I guess I could have done it on the leather, but you see how uneven it is. But if I had to do over again, I'd do it on the leather ember catch. We'll catch you on the next one.